Unraveling Be Unkind, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often crops up in everyday English: be unkind. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words themselves, but the context and emotions they convey. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together, and by the end, you'll not only know what be unkind means but also how to use it appropriately in your conversations. Be unkind is a phrase that might seem straightforward at first glance, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To be unkind means to act in a way that is not kind, which involves being harsh, mean, or lacking in sympathy or friendliness. It's important to note that unkindness can be shown through words, tone, actions, or even lack of action. To fully grasp the meaning of be unkind, let's see it in action within various contexts. Verbal unkindness. When he ignored her question, it was being unkind. She felt small and insignificant. Non-verbal unkindness. Turning away when someone is speaking to you can also be seen as being unkind. Unintentional unkindness. Sometimes, people are unkind without meaning to be, such as when they make a joke that hurts someone's feelings. In each instance, being unkind affects the emotional well-being of others, which is why it's a significant phrase to understand and be mindful of. It's crucial to understand that being unkind doesn't just affect the person on the receiving end, it also reflects on the person who is unkind. Unkindness can lead to damaged relationships, a reputation for being cruel or insensitive, feelings of regret or guilt. Recognizing the impact can help us understand why it's important to strive for kindness in our interactions. Now, let's explore how to express the opposite or avoid being unkind. Being considerate, taking others' feelings into account. Being compassionate, showing genuine concern for others' hardships. Being polite, using manners and respectful language. Encouraging these positive behaviors enriches communication and fosters better relationships. I hope this exploration into what it means to be unkind has been illuminating. Remember, words have power, and they can either uplift or dishearten. Strive to be aware of how your words and actions affect others. Thank you for joining me on this educational adventure, and may your future conversations be kind and meaningful.